Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
So guys, now let's take a look at the gold market. Market mostly has completed the setup on the intraday charts that we have discussed in the weekly research. So on the daily chart, we do not see yet the big changes, but as you can see here, we've got the bullish grabber been formed on last week, and that's why the low of this grabber is approximately 1330 area. It's very important because if market will break it down and turn down here, it really could lead to the first downward continuation, maybe right to the 13 even area. So bottom to this consolidation. It's very probable. So that's why currently we need to keep an eye on intraday charts, particularly on the hourly chart. Recall what we have talked about on weekend. We said take a look. Market is forming here kind of the double bottom pattern, and it should complete its target. So it's usually the distance between the bottoms to the neckline count in direction of the breakout, and it stands very close to the fib levels, 1353. That will be good opportunity for taking the short position for the bears, because whatever will happen, so either market will stop dropping here and turn up again, or it will break these lows and continue move down. This will be a very good area, because whatever will happen, you will get the protection by the price action to the downside, because on the first touch, the reaction will be to the downside. Maybe of the different depth, but still it will happen, and that should let you to move your stops to the break-even. As you can see, indeed, this market has completed this target of the double top, or pips to pips mostly. It's touched it, it turns down. So now if you have taken the short position here, you could move your stops to the break-even and watch what will happen. Why in general this is important? Because by showing what's really how market will respond to these lows and in general how it will behave here in this area, it will give you an answer on the question in what trend market stands right now. So breaking through these lows will tell you that this ABC top pattern is still valid, and in fact what it will tell you that market has hit OP target, shows retracement in the respect of this target, and continues move lower to the XOP. So that what it will mean if market will break for these lows. On the follow time frame chart, you will get even larger ABCD patterns with the fire targets. It's currently its target stands approximately to the 1319 area, next destination point of this ABCD pattern. If market will stop dropping inside of this swing and will not take out of these lows, it will mean that the bullish sentiment still here is still intact, and market could form, for example, the butterfly. So it could become left wing of the butterfly, and if market will able to hold here, it could become the right wing of the butterfly. And in this case, we could keep an eye and count on the upward breakout, because on the daily chart, as you can see, we have the major targets at 1383. This is ABCD COP target, and it's also extension of this leg. It's 127 extension. Here you could imagine the butterfly, also large butterfly could be formed. And with our butterfly, it's also market could reach it. So take a look, the 1618 extension also stands 1384. So on the butterfly that could be formed here on the hourly chart also will have the same target. That's why the price action inside of this range will be very important. Right now, as you can see, our suggestion is correct. The market indeed is forming the downside leg. But what the length of this leg will be, this is still in question. For bulls, if you would like to take the long position here, you should control that these lows should be valid and should not be broken down. Only if market will form a kind of a garden triple to buy here, you could think about taking long position against these lows. That's set up for the bulls. If you would searching chance to go along. For the bears, as I said, you probably already should take the short position here and just watch what will happen here. Protect your stop, protect your position with the break-even stop, and just watch what will happen. So that's what we will be watching for today on the gold market, is particularly speaking the big price behavior inside of this range. And this will be very important, these lows. This is actually, guys, this is a crucial point for a short-term stop in the gold market.